As you know, on my last adventure to install a hood latch on my drift car, which is the BMW, I made a big mistake on this side using the cutting wheel. We need to fix this here so we can do a perfect wrapping, and this is gonna look brand new. So first thing I needed to do was to find a little piece of metal, not very thick, that would cover this part here from the bottom. I ended up getting this here and cutting it. I was able to do almost a perfect fit in here. Now what I need to do is stack this guy in here, and then we're gonna weld. So with the part in there, I'm gonna mark here with my tire marker where it goes, so I know I need to sand in here, and I'm gonna use my sander here and get everything clean. And despite all my inexperience with welding, I was able to secure a plate in there. Now I'm gonna sand an area a little bigger than where I'm gonna put the bondo. So everything's on the bare metal. I'm going to clean, and we're gonna bondo. Alright, so the bondo kit, I got this one. I'm gonna put the link in the description, but it comes with a mesh like this, and this mesh is supposed to cover bigger holes. I don't even know if this hole needed anything, but I'm gonna put here anyways. For the golf ball size, you do 1.25 inches of the other one. I don't think I need more than this. Got the hardener. Okay, that's what I need. All right, let's see what happens. And I had a little piece that fell right here, and this tells me how hard it is. Still a little soft. If I had a grater, I could start using this here, but I think I'm gonna do like this and take the excess. Like, see this big excess? It's gonna be a lot of work when it dries. So now it's great. Look, all of them. So now I'm hitting with the 320 just to take these scratches out of the way. All right, and then we have it. Look at that, holes aligned, and here is going to be wrapped. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of a primer just to cover the small imperfections I just don't want to show under the wrap. And that's it. This is the result. There's no hole anymore. I'm going to put a picture here of how it was and how it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't miss the wrapping. So I'm gonna keep wrapping this guy. There's a bunch of stuff happening on the back, which is I'm cutting and doing the rear subframe and all that stuff. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Love you. Later.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.